Title: The Ultimate Guide to Learner Driver Insurance Quotes Introduction. Host, smiling and facing the camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really valuable for all the learner drivers out there. Whether you're just starting your journey behind the wheel or you're a parent helping your teenager learn to drive, understanding learner driver insurance quotes is crucial. In this video, we'll take you through the ultimate guide to learner driver insurance quotes, helping you make informed decisions and save some bucks. So, let's dive right in. Section 1. Why learner driver insurance matters. Host. Before we jump into the world of insurance quotes, let's quickly talk about why learner driver insurance matters. As a new driver, you're more likely to face higher risks on the road, and having the right insurance coverage can provide peace of mind. Section 2. Factors affecting insurance quotes. Host. Now, let's discuss the factors that affect learner driver insurance quotes. These include your age, the type of vehicle you'll be driving, your location, and even the time of day you're most likely to be on the road. Remember, being honest and accurate when providing this information is crucial for getting the right quote. Section 3. Types of learner driver insurance. Host. There are different types of learner driver insurance, each catering to specific needs. We've got named driver insurance, where you're added to an existing policy, and learner-only insurance, which covers you as the primary driver during practice sessions. Understanding these options helps you choose the one that aligns with your situation. Section 4. Comparing quotes. Host. Comparing quotes is where the magic happens. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Use online comparison tools or contact insurance providers directly. Remember, the cheapest quote might not always offer the best coverage. Look for a balance between affordability and comprehensive coverage. Section 5. Hidden costs and exclusions. Host. Here's a pro tip. Read the fine print. Some insurance policies might have hidden costs or exclusions that catch you off guard. Common exclusions include driving at certain times or not covering specific types of roads. Make sure you're aware of these before making a decision. Section 6. Building your no-claims bonus. Host. Even as a learner driver, you can start building your no-claims bonus. This can significantly lower your premiums in the future. So, drive safely and responsibly. Some insurance providers even offer bonus accelerators, allowing you to earn a year's worth of no-claims bonus in just a few months. Section 7. Tips for lowering premiums. Host. Let's wrap up with some tips to lower your learner driver insurance premiums. First, consider increasing your voluntary excess if you can afford it. Second, adding an experienced driver as a co-driver can reduce the premium. F. Make sure to add engaging visuals, graphics, and perhaps even some real-world examples to make the video even more informative and interesting. Good luck with your YouTube video.